All right, now crypto exchange platform CoinDCX, they've acquired a virtual digital assets platform, BitOasis, in the Middle East and North Africa. The company is valued at close to $2.15 billion and is backed by the likes of Bain Capital, Polychain Capital, and more. Joining in is Sumit Gupta, the co-founder of CoinDCX. Thanks so much for taking time out. Walk us through the contours of this acquisition and what is on the table for the company.
Yeah, sure. Well, thanks for having me. First of all, about this acquisition, this is a very proud moment for CoinDCX as well as for the Indian crypto ecosystem. We've been building CoinDCX for almost 6 years now, and from a young startup to one of the largest crypto exchange in India. And the thought process was always to expand, to grow, and build a brand that was born in India but is serving the world. And you can do that in the sector because crypto by default is a global asset class. And yeah, so global expansion was a large part of our growth strategy. It will help unlock new opportunities, new revenue streams, and so we made this investment in BitOasis around last year, and the company has been doing pretty well. We have secured a couple of licenses recently, and it's profitable. And the team very well aligns with our thought process, our mission values. So we thought, okay, let's just double down and expand into the MENA region, a very good market, very progressive when it comes to crypto regulations, and a crypto industry founder will always want to be in regions where there is clarity, where there is regulations which are progressive, government which understands the potential of the sector. So yeah, I mean it's a great moment for all of us at CoinDCX.
So tell us a little bit more about where the platform is available currently and how you look to expand on the back of this acquisition.
Yeah, so CoinDCX is available and primarily focused on India market and will continue to do so. We believe India is a large opportunity, and just want to have our full focus on India market. Whereas BitOasis is predominantly in UAE, but is also available in 15 other countries in the MENA region. The focus for BitOasis is largely the GCC countries, and almost around 14-15 different customers from different countries can use it already. And the plan is to have BitOasis expand to other countries inside the MENA region. Some of the markets are very exciting. The regulations are evolving very fast there. So yeah, CoinDCX will continue to focus on India, and BitOasis will be our company in our group, which will focus on the Middle East market.
What kind of trading volume is it that you currently enjoy, and give us a sense as to now what it's in it for users on the back of this acquisition in terms of improved crypto services?
Yeah, see, the platforms will continue to operate independently. The teams will run independently. The technology solutions for enhancing the liquidity, the customer experience, increasing the selection of tokens that customers can invest in. Users have a lot to gain out of this news. And one of the great thing is that customers in the MENA region have very limited offerings available to them. But with this acquisition, with this update, they will have more innovative products coming on to them, and they can use it. I think it's going to improve the life of customers drastically. And in terms of liquidity, we have built a very innovative solutions which helps any customer get access to the highest liquidity. So all of that technology will be available to BitOasis and will be extended to them post necessary regulatory approvals.
I just wanted to, since you brought upon regulations, talk about the regulatory landscape. And it's not all over the world that cryptos are widely accepted. There's a lot of regulatory pushback from governments. Isn't that concerning, or are you confident of the platform continuing to gain momentum?
So I beg to differ on that, to be honest, because the reality is that a lot of countries, in fact, globally are regulating it. Some of the countries have already regulated it. There are clearly defined frameworks. For example, the UAE, there are regulators who have given licenses to virtual digital asset service providers. So yeah, the regulations are very well in place, and a lot of countries are ramping up to the regulations. So in fact, rather than being worried, it just gives me more motivation that, okay, this is what's happening, and a lot of countries are realizing the potential of the blockchain technology and crypto towards financial technologies and otherwise as well. And this is the trend, and we are seeing regulate a lot of countries regulating this industry a lot more in this year and the coming year. European countries are coming up with MiCA regulations. There are already licenses in Singapore, in UAE. So many countries are doing that. India hopefully will come up with regulations soon, and this is very, very evident. And in fact, our honorable finance minister has also mentioned that they are open to regulating the sector, and the regulations will be aligned with what all the other countries are doing. So yeah, exciting times ahead for the industry, and we are also seeing a lot of positive developments happening in different countries.
Sean, give us a sense as to what your overall financial picture looks like, what kind of growth you're looking at.
Yeah, sure. We are doing very well financially. We are almost EBITDA break even. So I think financially the company is doing very well. From last year, we have grown significantly in size and volumes, and also number of customers have almost doubled or tripled in the last few months. The market has been showing good signs of growth. We have seen Bitcoin rising all the way from $25,000 to today it's around $60,000. So it's a good growth if you see the last 1 year performance of the asset class. And yeah, that has gotten us new customers. The volumes are also ramping up. Of course, it's not as high as what we were expecting because of the harsh taxation that India has on crypto investments and trading. So hopefully when the government relaxes the criteria, then a lot of these volumes that are happening offshore will come back to the country. But yeah, Indians continue to invest and trade in Bitcoin and crypto in general, and a lot of that activity is happening offshore outside India, which is unfortunate. But we see the same kind of growth happening on Indian domestic platforms as well. As the regulations get clearer, we see a lot more momentum picking up on the domestic bourses also.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.